The three little pigs. Cast. First pig, second pig, third pig, wolf. Setting. The third pig's brick house. There is a knock at the door. Third pig enters. First and second pig yell from off stage.
Eat us. Let us in.
Third pig opens the door.
What is he? He is coming. Shut the door.
Third pig shuts the door. Then there is a knock at the door.
Who is he?
Wolf speaks from off stage.
It is me. Open the door. No.
I will blow your house down.
Oh no, he broke my house down. He broke my house down too. He broke his house down.
Open the door, or I will start blowing.
Go on, blow.
Here I go.
The sound of a big wind is heard. Then the sound of coughing.
This is a because you can blow it down. Yeah.
Haha. I will get you.
The third pig looks out the window.
Oh no. What? What is the earth doing? He is going to school. Oh no. Lord. Don't make fire.
The three pigs make a fire.
No, I will get you.
Wolf jumps in from off stage. He lands in the place where the pigs made the fire.
Oh, fire. Oh, ouch. My tail.
Wolf runs off hitting his tail.
We are not afraid of the big bad earth. We are not